Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are Jennifer and Jessica and we are twin sisters who love to share everything hair and beauty related. So if you're interested in that kind of content, kindly hit the subscribe button and keep watching. Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we'll be making a hibiscus hair growth oil recipe that we have been using for over a year because our hair absolutely loves it. Hibiscus is widely used in India for hair oils. This inspired us to try it at the start of last year, and we haven't stopped making batches of hibiscus hair teas and hair oils. However, today we'll be using hibiscus flowers alongside some other amazing natural ingredients to create a powerful hair growth oil recipe, so stay tuned. Hibiscus flowers have been revered in Ayurveda for their abilities to boost hair growth. Their petals and leaves both are known to improve the growth of hair follicles and even cover bald patches. A 2023 study showed that the leaf extract of hibiscus improved the hair length and follicles of lab rats. A few benefits of hibiscus. Hibiscus flowers are known to stimulate hair growth. You can use hibiscus for hair growth as it is rich in amino acids, a prime building block of keratin. Hibiscus also improves the buildup of keratin and boosts the formation of new hair follicles, thereby stimulating hair growth. Hibiscus is also known to condition the hair strands. Alongside with the nourishing of your hair strands, hibiscus also locks in your hair's natural moisture, as the hibiscus leaves and flowers contain high amounts of the mucilage that acts as a natural conditioner to restore elasticity in your hair. Another benefit of hibiscus is that it prevents balding. A lot of research has shown that hibiscus extracts influence hair regrowth from dormant hair follicles. According to research, herbal drugs like hibiscus extract are safer and more effective alternatives for hair regrowth without any harmful side effects. The next benefit is that hibiscus prevents dandruff and itchy scalp. Hibiscus acts as an astringent and helps to cure dandruff and flakiness. Regular use of hibiscus leaf extract helps maintain the pH balance of your hair and provides a soothing and cooling effect. The last benefit of hibiscus is that it prevents premature graying. Hibiscus is an excellent source of antioxidants and vitamins that are needed to produce melanin, which gives our hair their natural color. Therefore, using hibiscus flowers can prevent premature graying and it can boost the natural color of your hair. Second ingredient we'll be using today are cloves, and we'll be using just 1 tablespoon of cloves. Hibiscus and cloves are a powerful combination, and this is because you get all the rich benefits of cloves without drying out your hair. Hibiscus, due to its mucilage content, serves as a conditioner because it provides a slimy covering and prevents the hair from drying out and breaking. You thereby get the rich benefits of these two herbs without any side effects of breakage. The third ingredient we'll be adding today is fenugreek, and we'll be using just 1 tablespoon of fenugreek. Fenugreek contains large amounts of lecithin, which hydrate the hair and strengthens the hair roots or hair follicles. The seeds pair extremely well with hibiscus flowers to help moisturize the hair and bring back that luster and bounce. The last ingredients we'll be adding today are rosemary leaves. Rosemary leaves stimulate blood circulation to the scalp and promote hair growth. It also helps protect the hair from damage and hair loss. olive oil is added in, you can then proceed to infuse the hair oil by double boiling it for 10 to 15 minutes. However, if you would like to opt out of the double boiling, you can follow the natural route of patiently allowing it to steep by sunlight for 3 weeks. Double boiling allows for a faster infusion, while steeping by sunlight allows for a slower but more natural infusion. And now that you have your hibiscus hair growth oil, as you can see, it has a pretty light reddish color. However, it does not leave a stain on your hair or your clothes. It smells like fresh berries, and if you want, you can actually put some hibiscus flower petals into your oil bottle just to create a pretty aesthetic. This oil is very beneficial to your scalp health and your hair growth. It stimulates your hair growth, it treats dandruff, it conditions and nourishes the hair, it strengthens the hair strands, it treats baldness, and it prevents premature graying. Honestly guys, we have used this hair oil for over a year. This same recipe, we keep making new batches because there isn't any other oil that conditions our hair as well as helps it grow to this intensity. This hair oil can be used 2 to 3 times a week. It can be massaged evenly onto your scalp. It can also be applied lightly onto the body of your hair. It can then be added to your pre-poos or conditioner treatments, or it can be used as a hot oil treatment. So thank you guys so much for watching. Do let us know in the comment section below if you'll be trying out this hair oil recipe. If you enjoyed this video, do give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys in our next one. Bye.